Good afternoon. Here's the news on Koiki Media. First, the headline. Detained Yoruba Nation agitators in Agodi prison appeal to Sunday Igboho for urgent intervention. Now on the news and details. I am Titilope Adako. A group of Yoruba Nation agitators currently detained at the Agodi Correctional Centre in Ibadan, Oyo State, have issued an emotional appeal to Yoruba self-determination activist Sunday Adeyemo Igboho and renowned Yoruba leader Professor Adebanji Akintoye, seeking urgent intervention over their prolonged detention and worsening conditions. The detainees made their appeal in a written letter reportedly delivered through DHL carrier service to the residents of Sunday Igboho on Friday, February 13, 2026. In the letter, the detained individuals expressed appreciation for Igboho's role in advocating for Yoruba interests and congratulated him on regaining freedom after legal battles with Nigerian authorities. They further acknowledged what they described as divine intervention and public support that helped remove Igboho's name from international watch lists, wishing him continued success. However, the detainees appealed for immediate assistance, urging him to mobilize traditional rulers and prominent Yoruba leaders to intervene in their situation. The detainees described harsh living conditions inside the correctional facility, stating that their continued detention has severely affected their families, livelihoods, and health. They alleged that many inmates are battling infections and illnesses requiring urgent medical attention. In a notable part of the letter, the detainers distanced themselves from a woman identified as Madame Dupe Onitiri, whom they claimed previously led or influenced their actions, and allegedly identified herself as the late wife of Nigerian democracy icon MKO Abiola. They stated that their experiences in detention had changed their perception. The detainees were among no fewer than 29 suspects arraigned before a chief magistrate court in Ibadan following an alleged attempted invasion of the Oyo State government secretariat at Agodi on April 13, 2024. According to the charge sheet, the defendants were accused of conspiracy to commit treasonable felony, participation in an unlawful society, going armed, and conduct likely to cause a breach of peace. The prosecution alleged that the suspects and others still at large conspired at about 8:30 a.m. on the said date within the Ibadan Magisterial District, offences punishable under Section 516 of the Criminal Code Laws of Oyo State, Nigeria, 2000. The defendants include men and women of varying ages, ranging from 25 to 78 years old, reflecting the wide demographic involvement in the incident. The appeal highlights ongoing tension surrounding Yoruba self-determination movement and raises renewed concerns about prolonged detention, prison welfare, and political agitation in southwestern Nigeria. And now here's the news. Koiki Media, bringing the world closer to your doorstep.